dun sa mga si Cebu na yun, natubo kami na dito sa ating tape, pwede natin i-punish dito, mismo steel. Kaya meron tayong different handling of holding steel and different swerving place na ginagamitan natin ng metal rod. Halimbawa, itong it is called as zero position, as connected to the setting, itong as vertical positioning. This angle of zero, sometimes we use in the culinary working place. Then it is the one procedures is as 45 degree. We use in the slaughtering, that's we call as 45 degree angle, or in the freehand position. Then another one is into the 55 degree angle. We use it also into the industrial or meat cutting square place. Then 60 to 70 angle, we use affected the same area of the slaughtering operation in industrial meat cutting. Then another one is 90 degree angle. Yung opposite to the semi-zero plus 290 angle with procedures of proper holding our knife. Then this is the tools we use to polish our knife. That we have to maintain our knife of sharpness, we use for fabrication stone or sharpening stone. We have available here as a compact